Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you press the power button on your computer? Does it instantly turn on, or is there something more happening behind the scenes? Well, in this video we will break down the complete booting process in a simple and easy way. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Power on. When you press the power button, power supply sends electricity to all the components. CPU wakes up and starts working, but at this moment, your computer still doesn't know what to do next. Step 2. BIOS or UEFI starts now. A built-in firmware called BIOS or UEFI takes control. It acts like a manager that checks if everything is working properly and prepares the system to start. Step 3. Hardware checking. System performs a test called post power on self-test. It checks RAM, keyboard, storage devices and other hardware. If something is wrong, your computer may show an error or beep sound. Step 4. Boot device selection. After hardware checking, system looks for a bootable device, such as hard drive, SSD or USB. This is where your operating system is stored. Step 5. Bootloader runs. Once the boot device is found, a small program called the bootloader starts. Its job is to load the operating system into the memory. Step 6. Operating system loads. Now the operating system like Windows or Linux starts loading into the RAM. It initializes drivers, system files and prepare everything you need. Final step, login screen. This is where the login screen appears. Enter your password and your desktop is ready to use. That's how your computer boots up, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech explanations. See you in the next video.